The world of online choice is changing. For decades, we have lived in an era of search. We type words into a box, we get back a long list of links. We then spend our time and effort clicking through options. We search for hotels, we search for jobs, we search for products. This process defines how markets work. It spreads our attention across many different sellers. But this era is ending. A new force is here. That force is the AI agent. These agents are not just tools for searching, they are tools for matching. They are designed to find the one best answer for you. AI agents are pieces of software that act on our behalf. We give them a goal. Find me the best hotel in Paris. For under $200 a night, find me the most qualified accountant for a short-term project. The agent understands our needs. It then scours the internet, evaluating countless options in seconds. Unlike a human, it does not get tired or overwhelmed. It compares features, prices, reviews with perfect efficiency. Then, instead of giving us a long list, it presents a single recommendation or a very short list of top contenders. This fundamental change from searching to matching creates a new, critical problem. Human search is messy and inefficient. This inefficiency has an important side effect. It spreads demand. 10 different people searching for a hotel will click on 10 different sets of links. They will end up booking a variety of different places. AI agents, however, are brutally efficient. If they are all programmed to find the best option based on the same public data, they will often converge on the same choice. When thousands of agents all point to one hotel or one job applicant, it creates a massive bottleneck. We call this problem congestion. Congestion is the core challenge of the new agent-driven economy. It is not about making search better or faster. Search costs, which are the time and effort it takes to find something, are already falling to zero. The new problem is what happens next, when demand is no longer spread out but is instead concentrated with laser-like focus. It can overwhelm the winners and starve everyone else. Research from scholars like Erik Brynjolfsson and others suggests that this concentration can be extreme. Demand for top-ranked options could increase by 50 to 300 times compared to the old world of human search. This is a market shock we must prepare for. Congestion is different from high search costs. In the past, the main friction was difficulty finding a good option. Better search engines and review sites lowered those costs. That felt like a win. It helped consumers find better deals. For individual firms, this new reality is perilous. Your success is no longer about being good. It's about being seen as the best by an algorithm. A small change in your ranking on a platform can cause your demand to vanish overnight. This leads to extreme revenue volatility. Businesses used to a steady stream of customers from human search traffic may find themselves unable to cope with sudden surges or total droughts. Financial planning becomes a nightmare. A business can go from being overwhelmed with customers one week to being completely idle the next, all due to a minor tweak in a platform's agent logic. This volatility creates a massive capacity management problem. What happens when an agent sends you 100 times your normal customer volume? Your service quality will collapse. A restaurant that gets a flood of orders will deliver cold food late. A hotel that is overbooked will have angry customers in the lobby. This can damage a firm's reputation and lead to bad reviews, which then causes the agent to rank it lower in the future. Conversely, having capacity for a surge that never comes is incredibly wasteful. Managing this new boom and bust cycle becomes a central operational challenge for every business. The impact extends to all stakeholders. For users, the promise of a perfect match can be an illusion. It may hide other options that would have been a better fit. You might get the highest-rated hotel but miss out on a charming boutique hotel that offered a more unique experience. For workers, the pressure is on to become algorithmically legible. Your career may depend more on having the right keywords on your profile than on your actual skills or experience. This creates a new kind of digital divide between those who know how to signal to agents and those who do not. Platforms like Amazon, Booking.com, LinkedIn are also caught in the middle. At first, matching seems great for business. it delivers fast results to users. But congestion can degrade the entire ecosystem. If users consistently get sent to sold-out products or unavailable services, they will become frustrated with the platform itself. The platform's value comes from the breadth and depth of its offerings. If agents only highlight a tiny fraction of those offerings, the platform's other sellers will leave. Managing this traffic and ensuring a healthy, diverse marketplace becomes the platform's most important and difficult job. Organizations cannot afford to wait and see what happens. They must act now to adapt. There are 4 clear practical steps leaders can take to thrive in this new environment. The first is to improve your algorithmic signals. AI agents run on data. To be found, your information must be structured. It must be clear. It must be machine-readable. Move beyond flashy marketing language. Provide hard, verifiable data about your products or services. Use standardized formats. Embed verifiable credentials, certifications or licenses. Highlight real, measurable metrics of quality. Honest data. Transparent data. Frequently updated data is the language agents understand. The second step is to manage capacity with dynamic allocation. Demand will become more volatile. Build operational flexibility. Develop a network of partners. Develop a network of contractors. Offer different booking times. Offer service tiers to spread demand. Smart systems can shift customers to similar offerings automatically. Example: a restaurant agent routes an order to a nearby, less busy location to keep service quality high. Third, build stronger relationships with platforms. Don't treat Amazon as a passive channel. Don't treat Uber as a passive channel. Don't treat Upwork as a passive channel. Engage with platforms directly. Share data on your capacity. Share your quality metrics. Share your customer satisfaction levels. This helps platform agents make smarter, context-aware decisions. Volunteer for pilot programs testing new agent features. It also helps influence the rules of the game. Strong partnerships can turn platforms from risk into competitive advantage. Finally, differentiate in ways agents can see and verify. Standing out must be machine-readable. Create unique value that can be proven with data. Get a certification in sustainable sourcing. Maintain a verifiable on-time delivery track record. Publish a documented repair program for your product. These are hard signals of quality, not marketing claims. If agents read these advantages, they match you to niche customers who value them most. That helps you avoid direct competition with generic top-ranked players. The transition from a search-driven market to a match-driven one is not a distant future. It is happening now. The rise of AI agents represents one of the most significant shifts in market dynamics in a generation. Leaders who recognize this change and act proactively will position their organizations to win. Those who continue to operate with a 2020s mindset will find themselves increasingly invisible and irrelevant. The core challenge is no longer about being found in a sea of options. It is about managing the intense focus that comes with being chosen. This requires a new set of skills and strategies. Building these capabilities must be a long-term commitment. Understanding how algorithms work should become a core competency for teams across operations strategy. Organizations need to invest in tools to track their algorithmic ranking and test how different signals impact their visibility. Operations must be re-engineered for flexibility, with financial buffers in place to withstand the shocks of demand volatility. This is not just an IT problem or a marketing problem, it is a fundamental business model transformation that requires leadership from the top. Furthermore, firms should seek to participate in broader industry conversations about standards and transparency. As agents become more powerful, questions of ethics and fairness will grow louder. What is a fair matching algorithm? How can we ensure that agents do not create biases that harm certain groups or stifle competition? Organizations that engage in these debates and advocate for ethical, transparent systems will build trust with users and regulators. The goal should not be to game the system for short-term gain, but to help build a healthier market that delivers real value. The main takeaway is simple and urgent. The rules of the market are being rewritten. AI agents are turning the world of infinite choice into a world of specific recommendations. This will bring the risk of congestion, volatility, market distortion. But it also offers a chance for well-prepared firms to connect with their ideal customers more efficiently than ever before. The time to adapt is now. Managing capacity dynamically, partnering with platforms, differentiating with verifiable signals, organizations can navigate this new era and secure their future. Travel. An AI agent books a hotel by analyzing price, location, amenities, reviews. If one hotel scores 9.8 and neighbors score 9.7, many agents pick 9.8. That hotel gets flooded with booking requests and sells out instantly. Nearby, perfectly good hotels sit empty. The market becomes a lottery where the top-ranked player wins it all. That creates instability and waste as good capacity goes unused. A tiny rank gap causes huge outcome differences. Job market. A company uses an AI agent to find a software developer. The agent scans thousands of resumes. It scans online profiles too. It may pick a few candidates who perfectly match keywords and experience. Meanwhile, job seekers use agents to hunt openings. The result is a pile-on. A handful of candidates get flooded with interview requests. Many other qualified people are ignored because their profiles weren't agent-optimized. Firms miss out on great talent